Hi everybody, I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Alicia Masters, and if you've been thinking to buy or sell property in and around the Puerto Vallarta market, I am your girl. If you can see where I'm at right now, you can see I am oceanfront, toes in sand, back at one of my very favorite developments that we have here along the South Shore called Orchid. I have sold quite a few units in Orchid within the past 12 months, and I hope to add this one to the roster. Let me give you a little bit of details about where I am. So I already told you I'm in Orchid. I'm located in Lower Conchas Chinas. As I already told you before, we are toes in sand. You can actually walk in front of the beach here. You are about 5 minutes until you get over to the romantic zone. You're about 20 to 25 minutes depending on traffic to get from the airport. Everything that you are going to see in this condo is included, minus some artwork and a few personal effects. This place is check all the boxes, ready to go. Orchid makes a fantastic place to live. You're close enough to all the action, but far enough away so that you have a tranquil, peaceful living here, and you have a ton of amenities. At this place, you've got two different pools. There's a pool on the lower level when you're entering in, one of the most gorgeous lobbies that you're going to find anywhere here on the South Shore. You have a rooftop pool as well. There is a restaurant here so that you can order room service even into your room if you wanted. You've got a spa services room. There's even a gym here, literally a game room. Everything that you or your tenants could want. If you're looking to purchase an investment property, you are going to find it here at Orchid. Let me get into the details of the place where I'm at right now. As you can see behind me, we are on a corner unit here. The A building and the F building are the only two buildings here that have corner units, and we are in the F building. The A building faces the South Shore, the North Shore. The F building faces the South Shore. That's where I'm at today. So if you want to see Los Arcos, you love to see the curvature of the bay here, this is going to be a condo that you are not going to want to miss out on. Let's get into the details of this condo where I'm at right now. So the asking price is $1,575,000 US dollars. You have two bedrooms here with two full baths, a little over 1,800 square feet. This does come with a deeded parking space, and you have an extra large storage bodega here, so you can store all of your personal items that won't fit in your condo. Look in the description down below if you want to see more information about this condo and how you can get in contact with me. WhatsApp is the best way to reach me for the fastest reply, but if you do want to send me an email, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my email address down here as well. Stay tuned to the end of this video if you would like to see some still shots. That is kind of everything. Oh, and make sure you click like to this video and subscribe to my channel. I do 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. So if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of what is going on with our real estate market, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. That's everything I wanted to say. Let's go get into this condo, guys. Let's go. Welcome to the lobby here at Orchid. This is what you or your tenants, if you're going to use this as a rental investment, are going to see the minute that they step onto the development here at Orchid. One of the things that I think is so great is that it's so modern and everything is white. You can see you have a nice water feature here. The water feature, literally everywhere that you see here is all with water. So I'm gonna just explain a couple of different things. So you have a guard gate down there. You have on-site admins here. This is just the welcome for the lobby. And then all of this is a lobby area. There is an owner's game room over here as well. Anybody can come down and use any of this space anytime that they want. So I had some clients earlier this year that were afraid of heights. Perfect, not a big deal. You can come down here, you can use this pool if you want. So it's a little bit different right now because you have, it was raining earlier today. So typically you're gonna see all of this with all the cushions. You can see the lady back there, she's like getting them all ready to come out, but it was a little bit rainy here. So these little pads here usually have like beds on them, so you can come out here, you can lounge. Let me give you a look of what everything looks like from the back. Looking up, this is the outside of the Orchid building. You actually have 3 different towers here. You have AB, the A buildings face the North Shore. Then you have the CD and the EF. The EF buildings face the North Shore, the South Shore. Okay, so just gonna kind of keep moving around. I wanna give you guys a view of what everything looks like down here. So as you can see, you have lots of oceanfront loungers, and then you just have more areas where you can come down here and hang out, Right above the lobby, I'm going to show you guys in a little bit, is the gym. We'll get into all the amenities after I show you the condo. I just wanted to kind of walk around and give you guys just different views of what all of the space looks like down here on the ground floor level. You also have a jacuzzi over on this side as well. And look at the views. Oceanfront living. It's just so beautiful. It's so relaxing. You have a bar down here as well. Okay, so now that you guys have had a chance to see the lobby, let's go get inside the condo. Then we'll get into the amenities, hang out to the very end if you want to see a recap, and if you want to see some still shots, that will be the last thing that I post. Now that you guys have had a chance to see the beautiful lobby, let's go get into the condo, guys. Let's go. As you come out of the elevator, you only share this space with two condos because we are going into the corner. We're headed off to the left-hand side. As I told you before, we're coming into number F, and before we even get inside, I want to show you that we have a digital lock here. No reason to use keys. As you can see here, you also have your air conditioner, all digital. Air conditioners in Vallarta are pretty interesting in the fact that we use mini splits here. These are zoned, so you're not going to see the mini splits in the ceiling like you would normally see. It kind of looks a little bit more like you'll see up here, a little bit more like our central heat and air, but they're actually zoned. Okay, before I get into all the nitty and gritty about the things, look at this place, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. The minute that you walk in, you are just hit with the gorgeous mountains, the gorgeous view of the South Shore here, open floor plan. As you can see, I don't even know where to start. Do I want to start from the kitchen? Do I want to start from the front? Let's go to the kitchen. Alrighty, everything that you are going to see in this video, like I said in the intro, minus a few pieces of art and some of their personal effects is included. Keep that in mind as you're looking at everything. This is turnkey, nothing left for you to do. Put your bikini on, slap your suitcase in the bedroom, and come enjoy the Puerto Vallarta lifestyle. Now, this condo has upgraded. You have all GE Monogram appliances. And can you imagine if you're a cook, you're sitting here preparing dinner for your family, for your spouse, and this is your view? I mean, luxury with a capital L. It gets no better than this. Now, I do want to mention one thing, that these doors that you see do open up all the way, so technically this could be like a tree house where the entire space is open air. Just today for filming, we have all the doors closed, but this entire space opens up. Lord have mercy, if you're gonna come here for a showing, we will have all the doors opened up. It is a feeling like no other. Alrighty, so I'm gonna keep moving around to give you guys just different views of everything. You can see you have a really nice size dining room here. Right in front of the dining room, we have the kitchen. Love open concept living. And I wanted to mention the owners of this place have done an incredible job with the interior design. All of the furniture is top quality, as you can see, and I love that they have left this with a very neutral palette. I really think that the luxury developments that I've been going into lately, where they have this more of a neutral palette and you can just let the surroundings be all of the color, then you just have little pops of color here and there. That is really more what we're seeing now in the interior design of all of these units. So because you are on a corner here, the balcony extends all the way across, and I could even walk in front of the kitchen. Just wanted to give you an idea of what this entire space looks like. I can't even stop showing you the view. Don't forget, we're in a fish islands here, so things appear a lot farther away than they actually are. But if you are looking for your dream beach house, this literally is what you have found here. It's absolutely incredible. Okay, one thing that I wanted to mention as well, before we even get into the primary bedroom, the entire wall in the primary bedroom opens up so you can be like sleeping and letting the ocean sound lull you to sleep. So since we're already kind of here, this is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a little over 1,800 square feet. Let's go ahead and get into the primary. Just want to give you an idea of what everything looks like. I mean, you can be waking up looking at the sailboat as it's just going by here. I mean, I'm literally sitting right now in the middle of the bed. This could be your view. We do have electric blinds throughout the entire space. So with a touch of a button, everything opens up and you are oceanfront luxury resort style living here. Alrighty, like I said, I'm just gonna keep moving all around to give you guys different views of what everything looks like here. And you do have an ensuite bath. Make my way in. As you can see, I always try to get out of the view. You have a double sink vanity here, really nice size for the mirror. And then you have your toilet. I always like when they take the finish from the floor all the way down to the ceiling. Okay, give you one more view of your ensuite primary bathroom here. Now that we've kind of seen the front of the house, let's make our way to the back. One of the things that I always like when you have separation of the guest suites. That way, if you have somebody else that's coming down, let's say, you know, you're buying this as a vacation rental, you have two couples that are coming, you can both be in your own spaces, totally separate from each other on different ends of the house, and you still have incredible views from your guest suite that's in the back. You have gorgeous mountain and city views here. Give you an idea for a feel for the space. Oh wow, this bedroom actually has a wine fridge built into it. I'm gonna come and show you the entire view. So you're not only taking a look at the beautiful mountains that we have here overlooking all of Conchas Chinas, but you're also overlooking our bay. This is the North Shore. As you can see, you have really nice views of our Los Muertos Pier. You'll be able to see the fireworks at night from here. And all of this is from the beautiful comfort of your guest suite here. Again, I always like to move all around. One thing that I like that they have done in this unit, you also have an ensuite bath here. So the bathroom here is right connected with your bedroom. Single sink vanity. You have a lot of storage space in here. And then I'm just gonna show you what the bathroom looks like. This is a very standard bathroom, the glass stall shower, again, where they take the finish from the floor all the way to the ceiling. And you do have a couple of little benches in there, like a little foot bench if you wanted to shave your legs. I always like when they do that. One thing that I did not show you, ooh, and I always like this too, full length mirror here, yes. Okay, one other thing that I wanted to show you too is you have this closet here. This closet is where you're going to find your stackable washer and dryer. It's a full-size washer and dryer. They did put some built-ins here from the floor all the way to the ceiling. You do have the mop sink. This is your water heater. And then on the very top, this up here, that is like a little zap cap so that if the power surges, it's going to hit the zap cap before it hits any of your appliances. I'm gonna give you one more view of this absolutely incredible, breathtaking condo, and then I wanna go get into the amenities. After we get into the amenities, hang out because we will get into a recap and then I'll throw up some still shots. All right, guys, say goodbye to the condo. As you come out of the elevator, there's actually three. So since you're on the corner unit EF, the farthest elevator is the one that you would take. You have a middle elevator and then there's an elevator for the front. But since we're here, let's already go ahead and start filming from what you're going to see everything on this side here. One of the really nice things about Orchid is you have a ton of space. So there's no matter how many people are here, you're going to be able to hang out comfortably in the privacy of wherever you choose to be. And look at the size of this infinity edge pool. It's literally the entire length of the pool here. You do have a couple of sunken in jacuzzis. There is a little bar here. I've never seen anyone in the bar before, but you do have a swim up bar here. The staff is absolutely incredible here. The food is really good. The prices are outstanding. Look at the view. Okay, it's a little weird for this time of the year. We have, and I'm here in the really early morning too, but usually it's beautiful blue skies up here. You can see the whales jumping. Since I'm here so early, the ocean is really flat. I hope I get to see some whales today because they are in town. We have the humpbacks that come every single year. All right, just gonna keep moving around, give you guys all different views of everything that you're going to see up here. And this is where the restaurant is. You can even get room service ordered to your room if you wanted to. Look, this is why I love Mexico. Everything is handmade here, all natural ingredients. And then you can see that you have just another little lounge as well. All right, so now that you guys have had a chance to see the entire rooftop here at Orchid, let's pop down. I want to show you, we're going to go next down to the gym and the spa services room, then hang out. We're going to get into a recap, and if you're really eager, stay to the very end. I'm going to throw up some still shots. Alrighty, now that you guys have had a chance to see the rooftop, let's go get into the rest of the amenities, guys. Let's go. As you come out of the elevator, the pool is actually located on the mezzanine right above the lobby. Before I show you the beautiful view, let me show you all the equipment. So it's not a very big gym, but you really have everything that you could need here. There are some cardio equipment here that you can see. You have some free weights. The free weights go up to, looks like 30, I don't know if that's pounds or it's probably pounds. The free weights go up to 30 pounds. Walking over, you have some cable machines. You have a rear fly delt, a pull down seated row. Oh, I always love that one. You have some more cable machines, more cardio equipment, and the view. Check out this absolutely phenomenal view. You are overlooking the downstairs pool, overlooking the South Shore. I think this is really beautiful because you're in line with the coastline here and all of the palm trees. Okay, so now that you guys have had a chance to see the gym, one thing that I'm forgetting, I want to show you the spa services room. So you can literally have a masseuse. There's a couple of bathrooms here. You can have a masseuse come and give you your own private massage. And then as you can see, there's a library there as well. Okay, so now you guys have had a chance to see all of this stuff. Let's go get into a recap and then stay tuned to the end if you would like to see some still shots. One more time, looking at this beautiful view. All right, guys, let's go. Now that you guys have had a chance to see this absolutely beautiful penthouse condo, let's get into those details one more time. The asking price is $1,575,000 US dollars. You have 2 bedrooms here with 2 full baths, a little over 1,800 square feet. Don't forget that this condo does come with a deeded parking, and a really large storage bodega. Look in the description down below if you want to see more information out about this condo and how you can get in contact with me. Remember, WhatsApp is the best way to reach me for the fastest reply, but if you do want to send me an email, I am going to throw my email address up or down there as well. Also, don't forget to click like and subscribe to this video. I do 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. So if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of what is going on with our real estate market, this is the #1 place that you want to come to. Look in the description down below if you want to see more information out about this condo. We can schedule an in-person showing or a virtual showing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tour. Hang out to the very end if you would like to see some still shots. That's kind of everything. We'll catch you at the next tour, guys. Bye. Peace.